Hey everyone, today I'll be setting up a smart Wi-Fi doorbell. This is an alternative to the Ring doorbell as it offers so many features and it's really affordable. And it works really well. So it comes with a manual that has a couple of languages, and right off the bat, there is the doorbell. It's pretty clean packaging, I really like it. Now, this model comes with a 3M pad, which I'll talk about later. You can also use the screws to plug this into the wall. And it comes with a micro USB cable, if you're going to be using the 18650 batteries for a wireless config. I've already installed the new batteries and the SD card, so the batteries are going to last for a good few months. I've been so impressed by the app setup. All you have to do is scan the QR codes. So here, if you scan the device QR code, it automatically links. So amazing. Now, this 3M tape can be used if you don't want to use the screws for a quick installation. And yes, the 3M tape is one of the strongest in the world, so it won't come off easily. Now, the app comes with a few features like night vision that you can see in the dark, playback of the day to see who came close to your door, and two-way communication with the postman, for example. Now, if someone rings the door, you'll receive a phone call on your device. And indoors, if you have the ding dong, it will start ringing like this. Pretty neat. So overall, I'm very impressed with this doorbell and I highly recommend it for anyone wanting to invest in a smart door monitoring system. Now, link is in the description if you'd like to purchase it. See ya!